In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access privacy section here. Then select permission manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. For example, I will go with location. Then select one of your apps under one of those sections. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Like calendar from not allowed one. Then apply one of those options by clicking on the best one and go back. As you can see, after that my calendar just gained access to this device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature. Look for an app that you wish to manage, and instead of selecting anything, scroll all the way down to tap on See All Permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!